You can actually see and use any website in the exact same way that you would see them on your computer but on your iPhone. This is done with the Safari browser. Here's how to do this. Go to the settings page, then go to apps. Then in the apps page, find Safari. In Safari settings, scroll down until you find Request Desktop Website and go to this. Toggle on All Websites. Now if you open Safari, all websites you visit will be in the same format as if you were viewing them on your computer. Here is Google and Wikipedia. For comparison, I have now turned off Request Desktop Website. Here's what Google and Wikipedia would look like normally.